Joanne Banko here. I got a quick tip for you today for making your own custom hanger covers. Wouldn't it be great for that velvet dress? I hate the dreaded hanger bump. It drives me crazy. So I love padded hangers. It's so easy to make them yourself. Let me show you how. Start with paper. It could be anything. It could be pattern paper. It could be pattern tracing cloth. It could even be an old grocery bag. Take whatever hanger you want to make a pattern for, lay it down, and simply trace it. So you see I've done that here. And then I add an inch on the outside. I just use a seam gauge and measure out an inch all the way. And then I usually add about 2 to 3 inches to the bottom. That gives me a little bit of room to do some little fancy stitching, whatever I want to do. And I, of course, need to put a little hem in there. So I trace that around, cut it out, and I like to cut it in one big rectangle. Many times I'll use my embroidery machine for this. I'll just hoop it up, and I can actually embroider buttonholes, but of course they're very easy to sew on your sewing machine. And I love to do decorative stitching on these, so lots and lots of options. Again, many different options, trims, applique, ribbons, all kinds of different things. Once you have that stitch, that buttonhole is the most important part, you're going to cut that open, and then you simply slip your hanger up through. I like to use pre-quilted fabric for this because it's really, really quick. Add a monogram, makes a great gift. You can add a pocket, you can add a zipper, make that secure. If you're traveling, it's a great thing because it has dual purpose. So I think you'll really enjoy making these. If you're going to make very many, especially if you use the same kind of hanger, you could do it with any hanger style whatsoever. I love using the dry cleaner hangers because they're really very poor to use without anything, and it just turns it into almost like designer style hanger. If I'm going to do very many, then like I said, I just trace off a pattern. I can make dozens of these in an afternoon and fill my whole closet, take it with me when I travel, and have something really special to give as a gift. We've got complete instructions for you. Visit the website and learn how to make your own super easy padded hanger cover.